See me here. Where are you with?
Bad man. The last thing I said to him on the phone, no bad man. May I take that for your check tonight this. What kind of payments you talk about, brother?
Ah. So you top tech talk. Yeah, what? I call a meeting. Come on and see every community under one umbrella.
What kind of one umbrella you tell boy it is? I don't talk to you already, you know. I now go back to that, you know, brother. We try it already and never work.
Don't tell you what I deal with already, you know. So when the meeting you call, if you're not sure your face, you depend on your own.
I tell you this. You see, from the day when me tell you say we have to up back the block, and you now listen to what I say, I from the day them I know me depend on my own. You see all what there, whisper circle the block, you know. Feel like you're talk to whisper in it is.
Youth, behave yourself. You're not even going to chat to ranking. You just learn this in a youth. You see anything you get, make sure you take.
You still talk about blood ranking, eh? You know so I go on what there. A ranking and man them from 21 nearly kill with. You see a king man, you see king man can talk to and jiff. All of them man they give up on what it is. Let me tell you this. We are man now, yeah? Be a man.
Hey little boy, let me tell you this. No man no bigger than the system. You come see this. Ranking and king man, set this so we can have a name.
Said thing. Tell us something it is. You see history don't remember king. You don't remember soldier. So you can continue to be for them soldier, yeah?
Soldier. From me know this, me a lone soldier. Soldier where you fight for your cause. What you want to fight? A losing battle.
My life it is. All of my wrong choices me make. You ever hear saying what goes around come back around? Where you have to protect yourself? Nothing.
Well, let me tell you this. As me say, spread your bed hard, you're going to lie down in it hard. You depend on your own.
So you ready to give up on me? For you protect my own. It is, I know, I think you was a real friend.
Hard days. You come chat about a friend. See a friend there over there, son. And where him come from? Pose like 66. Butcher, see if me never rate you, you would there beside me. Let me tell you this, man. See if me never did a pray. Peace. You'd get where you look for. Yeah. So you see next time you come link me, make sure you left your dopey butt in a cave.
Get it? How you talk about it is? Me always know I come from the other side, you know. Shouldn't even get thick up in a phone and things so much. See all your friend Vicious, I know him never like me. I am never hear talk to him yet. What do you tell you say man fly knife for me? You say about nothing to me yet. Eh? You talk to your man about that.
Youth, me give you a seat round my table. Me never do matter where you come from or who you are linked with. You don't live no life yet. Remember, so me did warn you.
Warn me, boy. Brother, I better go warn you one friend. Because he may rate, you know. Me no belong you saying it is. Because man, I show you certain pre. And that's how you move. You're not a gangster again, brother. You call up.
Call up. Favoritism is a bullet. Me see Vicious take fear. Could I lose him life. Could have dead left him youth them. And you come talk about favoritism. You're ungrateful.
So you feel? Mecca did me one over there. You think he would have come over there?
Watcha. Yeah, chat. I cheer away, Paul. We live like a brother, like a family. Yeah, come link, man. And yeah, bring a strange man pa me block. Eh? Butcher, you wanna man? Left me place. Me a keep a meeting. And me done a tell you, anyhow you not show your face, you go under deep payments. Alright, they say it there. Yo. Remember this. You see, anyhow you do not me, personally, I make them come for you. You little dopey bat, but you have a follow back of you.